Kindly subscribe this channel for more educational content.
Abaput the playwright Lynn Nottage born, November 2, 1964 nationality, American profession, playwright, screenwriter. Professor Lynn Nottage is a two-time Pulitzer Prize-winning playwright known for her powerful works that explore themes of race, gender, social justice, and resilience, particularly focusing on the experiences of African Americans and marginalized communities. Nottage's plays often highlight the struggles of underrepresented groups, especially women. Her writing is deeply researched, character-driven, and socially conscious. Notable plays: Intimate Apparel, 2003, a story about a black seamstress in 1905 New York, exploring themes of love, class, and race. Ruined, 2008, set in the Democratic Republic of Congo, it portrays women's experiences of war and won the Pulitzer Prize for Drama, 2009. Sweat, 2015, a drama about economic decline and racial tensions in a working-class American town. It won her second Pulitzer Prize, 2017. Malima's Tale, 2018, a haunting play about the illegal ivory trade, told through the ghost of an elephant. Clydes, 2021, a comedic yet poignant play about formerly incarcerated workers trying to rebuild their lives.
Awards and honors. Pulitzer Prize for Drama 2009, 2017, one of the few playwrights to win twice. MacArthur, Genius, Grant 2007, recognized for her contributions to theater. Tony Award nominations for Sweat and Clydes. Obie, Drama Desk, and Lucille Lortel Awards for her contributions to theater. Lynn Nottage continues to be a leading voice in American theater, using her work to advocate for justice and human dignity. Summary of Ruined. Ruined is a Pulitzer Prize-winning play by Lynn Nottage, first performed in 2008. The play is set in the Democratic Republic of the Congo during an ongoing civil war and explores themes of violence, survival, and resilience, particularly focusing on the experiences of women.
Plot summary: the story takes place in Mama Nadi's bar and brothel, a refuge for women who have suffered sexual violence during the war. Mama Nadi is a shrewd and pragmatic businesswoman who provides protection to women by offering them work, but she also profits from their suffering. Christian, a traveling merchant, arrives at Mama Nadi's bar with two young women, Sophie and Salima. Sophie is educated but has been ruined, a term for severe sexual violence, making her unable to work as a prostitute. Salima, a former village woman, was kidnapped and assaulted by soldiers, causing her husband to reject her. Mama Nadi reluctantly takes them in but does not let Sophie work as a prostitute, instead having her help with other tasks. The bar is frequented by both government soldiers and rebel fighters, showing Mama's ability to stay neutral in the war for her own survival. Commander Sembinga, a powerful military leader, threatens Mama for serving his enemies. Meanwhile, Salima's husband, Fortune, searches for her, regretting his past rejection. Tragedy strikes when Salima, tired of being treated as an outcast and after being used by soldiers again, takes her own life. In the end, as violence escalates, Mama Nadi allows Sophie to get medical treatment with Christian's help, and Mama shows signs of opening up emotionally, hinting at hope despite the chaos. Themes in Ruined: the effects of war on women. The play highlights how war disproportionately affects women, turning them into victims of sexual violence. Survival versus morality. Mama Nadi is torn between making tough choices for survival and her underlying compassion. Female resilience. Despite their trauma, the women in the play show strength and the will to continue. The cost of neutrality. Mama Nadi's attempt to remain neutral in the war reflects the moral complexities of survival in conflict zones. Symbolism: Mama Nadi's bar, a metaphor for a fragile safe haven in a world of violence. Sophie's singing represents the voice of the oppressed and a form of healing. Being ruined, a term used to describe women physically and emotionally destroyed by war but also symbolizes their resilience. Conclusion: Ruined is a powerful, heartbreaking play that sheds light on the horrors of war and the resilience of women in conflict. It does not offer easy solutions but forces the audience to confront the brutal realities of survival.
Viewer, kindly subscribe this channel. Share this video to your pioneers. Comment your feedback. Thank you for watching.